In our urban jungles, air pollution poses a serious threat. But there's a powerful ally in the fight against it: trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making our air cleaner. A single mature tree can absorb about 48 pounds of CO2 each year. Beyond air purification, they provide shade, reduce heat, and improve our mental well-being. Imagine walking through a city filled with greenery. Join local tree planting efforts and help combat pollution in your community. Every tree planted is a step towards cleaner air. Let's delve into the ultimate solution for a healthier planet: plant more trees.